Hi guys, Dave and Jake here from Restore Muscle Car. We got a 73 Trans Am here. This 73 Trans Am is obviously a bullnose car. It was the first year for the full hood bird that was an option that you could get on the car. There was a lot of one year only options. This car has a heavy duty reinforced front bumper, different than the 70 to 72 cars. The grill it's got a custom grill that will only work and fit in a 73 bumper. It also only has a 1 year only hood release cable, which nobody has reproduced yet. So Jake actually took the time this last week and worked on reproducing the brackets and taking a 77 hood release cable that's already produced, and we do some slight modification to it. I'm going to have Jake touch on the brackets that we're actually using that look identical to what's being used, with a slight modification to the upper core support piece in there where the cable goes through, and we'll kind of touch in on it. I'll have Dylan get some close-up pictures and video to kind of show the area and how it all works.
Basically what I did, this is pretty much an exact replica of the 73 bracket direct mount. Like, all you have to do is take one bolt out. This bolt's right in its place. The only modification you'll have to do is this third bracket. Comes with alignment holes and everything. It holds the top of that hood release cable in place. That way it doesn't jiggle around and slide out. But basically it's one bolt, you put in the cable, and it works just exactly like it should.
These are the exact brackets. These are just the ones that Jake has made here in-house. We're actually going to produce these brackets in bulk, so we'll have a bunch of them. We'll have the cables, we'll have the whole assembly with some simple instructions on how to install it. This one is already done, so I'm going to have Jake close the hood and show how this cable, it's already ran, it's already mounted, has the same factory mount that goes, basically puts the cable, the handle, the pull release is right in between the lower valance and obviously the front bumper. 1 year only option, and just show how it works, Jake.
Yeah, basically works just like factory.
So yeah, that worked actually pretty slick.
Yeah.
So the 77 cable is maybe an inch or so longer than what the factory cable was, but it doesn't cause any other problems. It's basically the same thing. It's actually, the reproduction is a lot nicer than what they actually used on the 73s. And these ones have a nice end piece on it that we have to make a slight modification so that it fits through the factory opening in that upper support. We'll do close-ups of all this when we lay it all out. We're going to put it together on our website. We'll have a video showing the install once we have the kits ready to produce, but we're going to try and get some pricing put together so we can start selling some of these ahead of time. But we're expecting to probably have some brackets here within the next couple of weeks and having kits available shortly after that. Thanks, guys.